to me, Caleb. What are you thinking about Sacramento so far?
Dude, the place is a lot different, in a good way. Just wasn't what I was expecting. A lot of good folks, a lot of good times.
So far, I've enjoyed it, but we're all down here at this stuff.
This old Sac is amazing. Don't take that out. Let me take that again. Old Sacramento, the town, is amazing. It is, I don't know, it's just like a history trail.
It is a history trail. By the way, the mozzarella sticks are really good. From where was that place we was eating? Where was it?
It is right behind that big food truck.
And last few minutes has been super dope, hanging out with everybody, walking, doing our thing. See what Esmond thinks about it though. What are you thinking about it, Esmond?
Oh, for this whole event? I'm hyped. I'm ready. I'm
ready, huh?
I haven't played airsoft in a week and I'm starting to get the scratches, my guy.
What do you think about individuals that we watch, players that we know, to actually be here in this situation here? What do you think about this? Surreal? Has it hit you yet?
No, it's hit me a while ago. It's just so real to actually get to meet the person behind the mask now.
I agree with that.
Like, everybody knows the person on the field, the person on the mask, not the person behind the mask, and now we really get to experience how they're like off the field. Everybody sees them on the field, in front of the cameras, but now it's off camera, and we actually get to see true personalities.
So in other words, this is bonding with players outside of the game itself.
Yes.
So.
Yes. And it's one of the people that we've had conversations with for over months now that live overseas, and now they get to truly see us and meet us and make the connection whole.
Right. Never forget the cameraman. Dedicated cameraman right there.
That's solid.
Very solid.
Good kid. My person.
They were in there.
I am jumping to day 2, and I'm so sorry I don't really have any hardly footage from day 1 when it comes to vlogging or going around the field or anything like that. I've had a job doing interviews. You might have caught it, which is going to be in the description, the live stream itself in the channel. So the interview has been on NSL Sports official YouTube channel. That's where everything is being streamed, and it has been one hell of a fight from all these players, man. Got to meet some really cool people. We're gonna go ahead and walk off in here, see what we can't find, some people, whatnot. I ain't gonna interrupt the players, even though I'm not playing. I understand what it's like, which is kind of a little hectic when it comes to interviews and things like that. But hands down, this event here and being at Sac County, this has been very surreal for me. Obviously, you've seen a few minutes ago with the flight out here, how things went. But it's just been truly amazing event. The staff here has been, huge shout out to Elisa, huge shout out to Troy, the owners of Sac County Airsoft. Big shout out to Monk, Bert, NSL, all of it, just coming over here and giving us that competitive world that we've been talking about for so long. So in January, we are going to have the first 2023 seasonal tournament. It's going to be held at Shotzone. So big shout out to them. Ethan's going to be more than ready. Ethan is the owner of Shotzone. He's been working hard. He's been putting in the money, putting in the work. So it's going to be a hell of a turnout come January. I know we got some teams, especially shout out to Team Tacos. They told me that they're going to be out there to compete. I know me and my team are going to be there to compete. Hopefully we can, amp this up. This helps give a good perspective, what to expect, what to see. It's just been truly amazing. Let me jump over to a video real quick of just, what I see. Let me give a perspective. Let me just shut up and show you what I see.
We're looking towards Snake Side.
This is the field.
So I'm gonna start this in the hallway. Y'all seen that, at least on my IG, go check that out and you'll be able to see the rundown, a little bit of a briefing from Bert about the rules and the format and all that good stuff. But it's a little bit more of the layout. So nothing has changed since you've seen it just a second ago, if I edited it that way. I might be saying something that doesn't make any sense to y'all. But this is it. So we definitely have the pros here when it comes to the Zebra Gang. We got all the homeboys here to do it. Man, this is about to be an amazing event, amazing ordeal. I'll record what I can and I'll try to put it here in just a second. Y'all be able to see it. Yeah, man, this is real. It's finally become real. Let me see if I can jump on these guys real quick. Oh, I'm about to put that one on IG. TikTok, everywhere. I'm like, what? I'm like Jason Harrison, Kate, look at him. Y'all look like pros, man. It's good. I'm jealous, man.
Delicious lots.
I'm like, man, forget my jersey. I'm gonna come over there to be a zebra, man. Y'all got it. Y'all look good.
Dude, they do. Makes me look stronger.
Y'all look buff. All of y'all look buff. You see Esmond in his?
Dude, he was already buff.
Michelin, man. I look good. Good. Like, gosh, bro. What do you think about it, though? You gonna be reffing like this?
This is going to be quite the undertaking, to be honest.
Yeah.
Everybody's really hyped, a lot of energy. They got me set up. They gave me a lot of really good pointers, so I'm going to do well. You know, confidence.
Confidence, yeah. I was gonna say, there it is. He said, I'm gonna do well.
Yeah.
And it's just another day for you, ain't it?
Different tournament, different day.
Different tournament, different day.
Always.
What do you think about this field here when it's in comparison with, you know, Real Strength when it comes to them?
You mean the field? What field?
Yeah, what do you think about it?
It's cool. It's smaller.
That's
Smaller, but it's interesting. For instance, Plexi is like twice as big. Snake is bigger. A lot of bunkers are smaller. U is smaller. So it will be interesting.
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting.
It's gonna be different for sure.
I think generally once the rules, everybody kind of understands the rules. I think it'll make y'all's job a whole lot easier.
Oh yeah,
in my opinion, for sure.
That's what we're here for today.
Yeah, that's what today is.
Teach as much as possible. Answer every question. So I hope everybody comes with as many questions as possible.
Awesome.
And because from tomorrow on, there's no mercy anymore. It's like
Good.
yeah. So today is teaching day.
Teaching day. It is.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate your input on it, man. I really do.
No worries, mate.
All right, let me see if I can get a couple of these guys. Hey, y'all, real quick, if I could, can y'all give me some shout-outs, man? Like names, you know, whoever y'all want to shout out, teams, things like that for me.
Shit, man. I saw you chicken feet. Yo, shout out my mom. She birthed me.
That is the biggest shout-out.
Hey, I don't know anyone, like any teams on the East Coast. But shout out to the West Coast, though, man.
There you go.
I mean, I'm telling you right now, dude, we love this sport, man.
Agreed, man.
But I love y'all too, man. You know what I'm saying? So,
Sure.
I'm glad you guys are playing.
Shout out East Coast TSA. We wish you were here.
Oh yeah, TSA, baby.
TSA.
Wish you were here.
Hell yeah.
Shout out America Airsoft. Shout out CNA. Shout out Dog Squad. Shout out DVS Official. Everyone. All these teams out here. Tacos, PBK, everyone.
Okay. Walking by, y'all, it's getting a little footage.
You know that's nice. That custom 8-inch rails. 7-inch inner, you know?
Love it. It actually looks super good.
You can show it.
You said, well, if you're gonna show it.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Let's get it on the good camera right here.
You're so mean.
I mean, but truthful. My truth
I'm
hurts.
with you,
My
I'm
truth
with
hurts.
you.
I'm sorry. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Big shout out to Monk for this one. They really hooked it up.
I'll get out your way in just a second, bro. Go ahead. You do you.
Big shout out to Monk for this one. They really hooked it up.
Yeah, I told the rep.
Hey, you ain't got that. I'm way up high. Just a second.
Sorry, bro.
Y'all see on the NSL tournament, my man Taco, or Adam from Taco's Baby Goat, has been commentating this whole thing. It's super cool. Mrs. Baby Goat's been holding it down as well. She's thank one today, and it has just been really neat, man. But he's been holding it down really well, really well. Caleb out here wrestling, man, but he's been putting in the work. There's Esmond, aka Leo, TBZ.
Pushing the snake side. 4 left. We got
4. We have finally come to the end of this event, and it has been remarkable. It has been amazing. The whole thing has. I mean, to the point of where I even had to just pull out my phone just to record this, just to talk. It has been truly amazing. This is only the beginning. 2023 brings a whole new adventure for us. Do not miss out on the Shotzone first NSL East Coast at Shotzone in January of 2023. Be there. Get these rules, get this format. I'm gonna do everything I can to push it out and help getting understanding and help in getting this lifted up. But this is something we're gonna do. Be ready. Be ready. Now let's black out and end up somewhere else.